Welcome to the MOS Utility Limited flight booking process tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through the complete process of booking a flight using the MOS Biz Solutions portal. First, go to the MOS Biz Solutions login page. Enter your email ID and password. Next, enter the K-code and CAPTCHA, then click Login. Once you've successfully logged in, the agent dashboard will appear. Click on New Flight to open the flight booking page. Choose the one-way option or select the appropriate trip type if required. Now, select your departure city and arrival city. Choose the departure date and, if applicable, the return date. Click the Search button to view the available flights. Select your preferred flight and click Search Flight to continue. Scroll down to the Traveler Details section. Enter the passenger's title, first name, last name, date of birth, and nationality. Then, select the passport expiry date and enter the passport number. Proceed to the Passenger Details section. Enter the passenger's mobile number and email ID. Scroll down to the Payment section and click Continue to Payment. The Review Your Booking page will open. Carefully verify all the booking details. If everything is correct, click Book Now. The Complete Your Booking page will appear. Select Available Wallet as your payment method. Scroll down and click Pay Now. Please wait while the payment is being processed. Once the payment is successful, the booking details page will open. Scroll down to review and verify all booking information. To check your transaction history, return to the agent dashboard. From the left side menu, click Account, then select Ledger. Choose the From Date and to Date, then click Submit to view the transactions. To configure markup on flight bookings, click Welcome in the top right corner and select Markup. Click the Add button. Select the travel type, airline, and fare type. Enter the desired markup value and click Submit. If you would like to view previous transactions or bookings, simply click Old Portal. Thank you for choosing MOS Utility Limited.